Hey everybody, welcome back to the Print 3D channel. Today is May 26th, and that means day 146 of the 3DP 365 project. And on today's episode, we printed out this working ocarina, so stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back, and thank you for joining me here for day 146 of the 3DP 365 project. As always, down in the description there's a fact section. There's also a MatterHackers affiliate link. If you're in the market for some new filament, just use that MatterHackers affiliate link and you really help out the channel. Today's episode's all about this very cool working ocarina that we printed. And for this print, we used MatterHackers PRO PLA in the color of purple on our gMax 1.5 XT Plus. And the print turned out very, very awesome, and I'm really happy with the results. There is one minor problem. The support material left a pretty muddy mess on the bottom of it, and I could probably sand that out, but I'm just going to leave it as is. It didn't break through and cause any air leakage, so that's really good. So the musical instrument is actually intact. And I found this up on Thingiverse, and once I had it downloaded, I sent it over to Simplify 3D for slicing. In Simplify 3D, I used a 0.2 millimeter layer height, with 3 top layers, 3 bottom layers, and 3 perimeters. I also used a 20% infill on this model because I wanted it to be pretty sturdy. I wanted it to be a very sturdy musical instrument. And we also ran a brim at 10 outlines because this print's standing up just like this. And I wanted to make sure it stayed down on the print bed. We also generated support material, and that left that big muddy mess on the bottom of it. And we ran this out at 45 millimeters per second. And with those settings, our little ocarina actually turned out pretty good, and I'm really happy with the results. If you're unfamiliar with the ocarina, this is an actual woodwind instrument that's been around for about 12,000 years. And if you've ever played Zelda, I'm sure you know exactly what this is. Now, I haven't actually tried it to make sure it actually works, because I wanted to do that live on the air for you guys. I just pulled it off the print bed and cleaned it up. So, here we go. Now, I am definitely not a musician in any way, shape, or form. And from what I've seen online, you have 5 holes. You have this hole, and then you have these 4 holes here. And then you have the actual whistle part of the ocarina that makes the tone, the original tone. And this just changes the tone to different musical notes. So here we go. It works. It works pretty good too. I do hear a little bit of off-tone sound to it. So I might need to sand out some of these holes just to make sure they're perfectly round and they actually change the tone of the music. But other than that, that sounded pretty cool. Let me do that again. That's very cool. We 3D printed an actual working musical instrument. That's very awesome. And even though I'm definitely not a musician, and this muddy mess here on the bottom, I'm pretty happy with the results, and the sound is really cool too. So I would say this is a very successful print. Well, that about wraps it up for day 146 of the 3DP 365 project. I hope you guys found this episode interesting and informative. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share those videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Pretty cool stuff.